Port 2, we have Coach Ryan Monteclaro, Kemi Adesina, and Elaine Eta. Coach, congratulations for this victory. Port win. What can you say about your team's performance against last year's third placers?
Before the start of the season, we were tackling each team one by one. Yung holdovers, how they did the previous season, and I think I'm really happy to see how our guards today, because I challenged them that UP ang bread and butter, pressure defense. So I think we were able to capitalize on that, and na-limit namin yung turnovers namin. Yung mga turnovers namin, not from the front court, from the back court. So I think they were really patient, and yung maturity, slowly. And I'm really happy and proud that, this is a testament of maturity for them. After a bad loss, devastating loss against NU last game, I was expecting more from them, telling them that we have to get back at this and we have to stay where we want to be.
Thank you, Coach Rai. Ken, you had 18.7 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal. So, what can you say about your team's maturity right now? What can you say?
The team really wants to win. They say we had a bad loss, as what my coach said. We had a bad loss last Wednesday against NU, so we work on that past 2 days. So yeah, we really deserve to win this game.
Thank you to Elaine at 11 points, 6 rebounds, 3 assists, and 3 steals. So, paano kayo nag-respond dun sa mabigat na talo nyo sa NU? At paano nyo itutuloy itong Port 2 start nyo para mag-contend kayo sa Final Four?
Parati sila sabi ni Coach sabi na hindi dapat namin i-underestimate yung mga kalaban namin. Since, wala si Oren sa kanila. Pero, ganun pa din, grabe yung hustle nila. And kailangan din namin out-hustle sila. And yun, sa susunod pang laro namin, magdoble effort pa kami para makuha namin yung panalo.
Coach, 2-2 kayo ngayon sa last year Final Four teams. Siguro at this point in the season, kamusta yung tingin mo dun sa competitiveness ng team to kumbaga tuloy-tuloy yung ganitong klaseng laro nila for the rest of the season?
When they came in kasi, I know na we have the pieces. It's just a matter of time. So, coming into the season, I told them na we have to, build on what we have. Like what I said in the previous interviews, we didn't have recruits. We had recruits, pero we didn't have, big name recruits. As you can see, only one player is gone, si Davios lang. So, it's more on familiarization, skill building, and individually we really work on their maturity. Then it's something that we really look forward to. Sabi ko nga, whoever we face, it will be another game for us. Kasi if we want to achieve what we are really trying to get in, we need to challenge ourselves, break those barriers na we cannot just be challengers. Now, I think they're realizing that the gate crusher term is now turning into a contender term. So hopefully, in the coming games, talagang ma-prove namin na we can contend. And from what I'm seeing with how they responded this game after that loss against NU, I think they're putting themselves on the position where we can really contend. Yeah.
For the players in the fourth quarter, UP came back. What was the mindset to keep yourselves relaxed and composed to come away with the win?
Talagang dapat bigyan din namin ng tiwala yung isa't isa. Kasi, syempre, kung wala kaming tiwala sa kanila, syempre, kanya-kanya na kami. So, kailangan pa din namin maging locked in and yun, gawin pa din namin and i-execute namin ng maayos yung mga sinasabi ng coaches namin.
Yeah, for me, we just talk to each other and be like, okay lang, it's okay if you please shoot. Let's just keep going, play good defense, and we'll be back on the final.
Cam, so you had 18.7 rebounds. How are you feeling about your game, your performance, and do you think you're reaching your consistency that you had back in season 85?
Yes, I'm so excited this season. Kasi past 2 days I was not in there. Like I was not making a lot of points, but my teammates, I'm helping them in a ways I can help them. So I'm so excited with my performance, and thanks to my teammate, because without them I can't have a lot of points. So it's collective effort. So all thanks to my teammate.
Coach, what can you say about Cam? Do you think that she's getting back to her level back in season 85 when she won Mythical award?
I am really proud and amazed of how she accepts her role. Last year, I told her, sabi ko nga, even if she scores 17 a game, if you're losing, no one will talk about it, And she responded like, Coach, whatever you want me to do, I'm willing to do it. That's why I think it's the very first time that a captain ball was a foreign student athlete. And it's the first time, I'm not sure if nangyari to sa kahit anong team. Kemi, I put her as the captain because I know she can lead this team. There's no barrier with them. And sabi nga, why is she parang stepping back in a way? Because she was the Mythical 5. But as you can see, she was a Mythical 5, but the team progress is stagnant. Now, she's slowly getting into it while the team is going to another level. So for us, it's not about individual players. It's about collective effort, team effort. As you notice naman, wala naman kami superstar. Wala kami player na, we can go to. But we trust in each other and we trust in our system. Kami naman, coaches, we'll just guide them. Lahat, madami magaling na coaches, hindi na. I won't say na I'm a great coach. But it's a matter of understanding each other. I'm a young coach. They are young. Ilang age lang kami. I'm just 28. Joke lang. Grabe mo reaction nyo. ilang years gap lang. So, for me, it's a matter of understanding. Iba na yung the style of the players ngayon compared to what I witnessed when I was still playing is different. So, the approach is different. And I think slowly, kasi every day I'm challenging them na, like what I put in our coach at the board today, what's the reason why you're in Adams? So, yeah, diba? You want to study. That's our flagship sa Adams, and we want them to finish their degree. Second, siyempre, you want to play. Now, you want to make something unbelievable, something that not all the players not all the players can achieve. Ilang players lang yan. I told them the first step is let's get into the Final Four. In a year, ilang players lang yung nakakapag-Final Four. If it's 16 players, di ba? Ilan lang yan. Meron pa nga, 5 taon na mag-graduate. Never nakatouch ng Final Four. So, I don't want them to experience na we wasted our years playing na we're going to a game na okay, we're just another game. So we were trying to change their mindset that every single game you're there for a reason. Every single practice you are there for a reason. And that reason is that you are special because you're part of the 16-man roster and part of this UAAP community. Yeah.
Congratulations.